ओ ओ ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। हरि ओम। Let's want to do fourth Tanvaka of Namakam. Then maybe fourth and fifth also we can do. Just round robin. Starting from now avyadhini ibhyo. I see Sunita ji first. Me, Ashish, Pravina ji, Shanti ji, Krishna. Krishna ji, right. Shall I start? Om Nama Avyadhinibhyo Vividhyantibhyascha Vo Namo Nama Uganabhyastrukham Vatibhyascha Vo Namo Namo
नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो प्रातेभ्यो प्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः।
नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः शत्रुभ्यः संग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः।
नमो नमो नमः नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः नमो नमः इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्भ्यो दन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः.
Shall I start fifth one, Chandraji?
Yeah.
नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च
इति कंठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च
नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च sorry, cut it.
Okay. नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च
मीडुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो
पीडुष्टमाय चेषुमते च
मीडुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्धने च नमो
नमो अग्रियाय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः. Finish that. नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च.
And next time don't shake the head, try not to shake the head.
I am trying.
Everyone, all those who are doing, try consciously do it, try.
Yes.
Just put some effort, not I say you don't have to put effort, don't put effort. I am saying put some effort. So try not to put any effort in shaking. Okay.
Am I also shaking too much, Chandraji?
No, not much, little bit.
Nobody can beat me.
Start Krishnan from beginning again. Then Indivar will continue.
नम अव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगृंहतीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो
विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूप
व्रात नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो from there.
Okay, sorry. नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो
नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो
नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः।
नमो नमः शत्रुभ्यः संग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः
नमो नमः स्वभ्यः स्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो
नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च
नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्ठाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च
बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च Sunita, you are on mute.
Sorry. नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नम ऊर्म्याय च वा नम ऊर्म्याय च वस्वा नम ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च
And make sure if the speed word started.
Chandraji, we
Speed you
can't
have to-
hear you.
can hear you.
Can't hear me?
Now
Now
it's
we
we
can.
can.
Oh. Hurry up. Hurry up. The speed also, if you can maintain, of the person who started, it will be good. Because some of you are slowing down. And we are not doing too fast, like, right? Okay. Manageable speed only we are trying. So there are different variations, right? Different styles people chant. However, while learning, it's okay. Because each and every syllable we separately pronounce, enunciate. It's good to learning. Little bit of a speed you have to pick up. So, okay. Fourth, okay, let's see. The day who didn't do the third one. Pravina ji, Shanti ji, right? Pravina ji, do it.
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेनुकामश्च मे
Chancha me mayascha me priyancha me nukamascha me. Can you do that?
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणञ्च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वञ्च मे महश्च मे No. Vishvancha me mahascha me samviccha me
पंच
gnatra.
मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे महश्च मे नो स्वरा मे आफ्टर महस्
Vishvancha me mahascha me samviccha me gnatrancha me suscha me prasuscha me sirancha me layascha marittancha me mritancha me yakshmancha me namayaccha me jivatuscha me dirghayutvancha me namitrancha me bhayancha me sughancha me shayanancha me sushacha
गञ्च
me
मे शयनञ्च मे सुगञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे
sughancha me shayanancha me sushacha me sudhinancha me Sugancha me shayanancha me sushacha me sudhinancha me. Am I mixing up the flat mace and anudatas again, Chandraji?
Not again, all of them.
I'm trying, but I'm not,
That's good.
I don't, can't hear you, Chandraji.
Oh, you are not able to hear me? Priyo. Priyo.
We can hear, but it's too low voice, Chandraji.
Maybe it's too far. Hariom. Hariom.
Can hear Chandraji now.
Maybe it's because of the distance or something like that. It's a new, another laptop I'm using. So maybe it's not picking up the voice, maybe. Hariom. Hariom.
We can hear you, Chandraji.
Okay. Continue, Shanti.
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणञ्च द्रविणञ्च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वञ्च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रञ्च मे सुश्च मे प्रसूश्च मे सीरञ्च मे लयश्च रुद्धञ्च मे मृतञ्च मे यक्ष्मञ्च मे
लयश्च मे ऋतञ्च मे ऋतञ्च मे
ऋतञ्च ओके लयश्च मरुतञ्च मे मृतञ्च मे यक्ष्मञ्च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे न मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च
दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे न मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे
दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे न मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे सुगञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनञ्च मे. It's because I'm trying for this, not doing, so it's getting messed up.
Try not to do it. You said you are also getting a neck pain, right? So never do that. Okay. Sunita, do it.
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणञ्च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वञ्च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रञ्च मे सुश्च मे प्रसूश्च मे सीरञ्च मे लयश्च मृतञ्च मे यक्ष्मञ्च मे नामयश्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे नमित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे सुखञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे सूषा च मे सुदिनञ्च मे.
Whenever there is a avagraha, see, if you take a, usually don't try not to take a break near avagraha.
But we need to hold little bit there, little hold.
Holding is not
Bhagascha
required.
me.
Avagraha, near avagraha, holding is not required. But usually better not to take a break. Take a break before only if you want.
Oh, okay.
दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मेण मित्रञ्च मे भयञ्च मे.
Yeah.
If you're in a group, that's okay. I mean, maybe there's sometimes the others they say, right, if you take a break, then better you do abhayam.
Yeah. We need to add R to that.
But if you take a break,
Break, yes.
if you're not taking, that's fine. It's okay.
Where did I take break, Chandraji?
May
Mrutancha me.
bhayam, I think, before that.
Oh. Okay.
Abhayam. Abhayam. So what are we doing? May so all this in the other verses, maybe in the 9th or 10th, Yagnena Kalpatam, it comes Kalpatam, Yagnena Kalpatam, it comes next sloka also. May give it to me. May is to me, right? May. Chancha me, Mayascha me, is it we are saying, right? May. So that Kalpatam can be added.
Chandra, is it to me, Chandraji, or is it this? May means. Or may. Cha is and, right? May is this or to
No.
me. Or depending on the context, it will change.
May means to me, yes.
To me. Oh, not this.
No, not. May is Mahyam, you say, right? Mahyam means to me.
Okay. Oh, I thought and this give to me, we were asking.
Of course, give it to me only. Yeah, Kalpatam can be added. I'm saying Kalpatam that comes later in the later Anuvakas can be added. Kalpatam, May Kalpatam. You can add that if you want. That can be added here also. In that, may it be granted to me. Kalpatam. It comes next. That can be added here also to all the chames. Kalpatam means to be granted to me. All these things that we are asking. May is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Asmad Shabda. Asmad means I, right? First person singular. Aham Shabda. First person. Aham. The fourth Vibhakti. Chaturthi would be Mahyam or May. Mahyam, to me. In the Shashti also it is May actually. Shashti Vibhakti is possessive case. Are you hearing me? Are you able to hear me? Are you? Okay. So Chaturthi means whenever we say Shivaya Namaha. Shivaya Namaha. Right? So this is all Chaturthi. But here in this case, we are asking Mahyam, to me. Grant that to me. Mahyam. May also is used. Mahyam may. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Fourth case. In sixth case also it is used may. Mama may. Sixth possessive. So there somebody said when a Gnani chants, let's say he doesn't chant, sannyasi or a Gnani doesn't require chamakam because he is, for him everything is his only. There is no distance between anything that needs to be asked for. No desiring for a Gnani. If at all he chants, it will be in the sixth case for him. No, why? Because he owns everything. What is there that the second thing that is not his in that Gnanam? So that is the sixth. If at all he chants, a sannyasi or a Gnani, he will do it in the sixth. For him, sixth case is valid. Are you getting me? I don't know. Maybe it's too much of grammar, right? Okay.
It is already mine, yes.
Yeah, right. Possessive case, right?
I understood the concept, but I did not understand the cases there.
That's,
This,
we have vibhaktis, right? Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chatur.
Off me, right? Those are the two cases. Possessive is off me. Mera is in Hindi, right? That is possessive.
So in Asmat Shabda, it is the same. May. Fourth case also may. Sixth case also may.
Yeah, and fourth case is mujhe.
For me, Mahyam.
Right.
Yes.
To me.
Right.
But in Sanskrit, the word is same, is what Chandrasekhar was saying.
okay.
The word is same. In case he chants, let's say, he will, for him, sixth case is valid. For us, fourth
So will you
case.
say give it to him? Is that how you will say give it to him kind of thing?
No, it says give it to me. What it means is give it to me. But for them, when they say, they will present it as it's already mine.
Oh, okay.
And in the sense, they don't ask because they already ask.
Yeah, I thought that he will twist it like this and say give it to him.
No, I thought the other way.
You will do fourth case. You will do this way. Fourth case.
That is fourth case. I thought sixth case is me, means the whole universe is me. So he's asking for everybody else together. Like that's what I thought.
In a way, yes. Okay. Fourth Tanvaka. Ashish, do it. Urcha me sunruta cha me.
Urcha me sunrita cha me.
I'm sorry. Here in this book, that the repa is on cha. It should be on ka. But I think printing mistake. It will be urcha. I think maybe for Ashish in English that's okay. Maybe I think urcha, right? You got that right?
It's on cha.
No, it should not. The repa should be on ka. Urcha me. Urcha me.
Oh.
Okay, I think printing mistake is there here. I think
There is ka also in between. That's what you are saying, right?
No.
Say it again.
I mean, so the ka ki chaut, that is what you are saying.
Even in Vijnanam Devanagari, the refa is on cha. So you're saying that refa should be moved to ka.
Oh, is it? But then, if at all, even if it is like that, but pronounce it like this. Urchame. Maybe.
I think that's the way they write. But if you want to say urcha, how else will you write? Right? It is ka and cha together.
Correct. That's true. Urchame. The cha is Svarita. Yeah. Urchame sunruta cha me.
Urcha me sunrita cha me. Urcha me sunrita cha me.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे
सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे
सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे
रसश्च मे घृतं च मे
रसश्च मे घृतं च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे
घृतं च मे मधु च मे
घृतं च मे मधु च मे
मधु च मे
मे there's anu
मधु च मे yeah
okay घृतं च मे मधु च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे
रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे
रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे
मधु च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे
मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे
सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
कृशिश्च मे
सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
Shanti, don't no moving the head. Try not. Okay. ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे.
Pravina, you do it.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे.
Sapitischa me, Krishischa me. That Sapitischa me, after that me went down, I thought. I heard like that. Try not to.
Okay. Sapitischa me कृषिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे.
Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me.
कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च वृष्टिश्च मे
Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me.
कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे
Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me, Jaitrancha ma.
कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म
Jaitrancha ma, Audbhidhyancha me.
जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे
Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me, Jaitrancha ma, Audbhidhyancha me.
कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे कृषिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे
Jaitrancha ma, Audbhidhyancha me, Rayischa me.
जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च
Audbhidhyancha me, Rayischa me.
औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च
May, that may should not go, it has to be
down.
flat. Audbhidhyancha me, Rayischa me.
औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे
Rayischa me, Rayascha me.
रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे
Urcha me, Sunruta cha me, Payascha me, Rasascha me,Ghritancha me, Madhucha me, Sagdischa me, Sapitischa me, Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me, Jaitrancha ma, Audbhidhyancha me, Rayischa me, Rayascha me.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता
Urcha me, Sunruta cha me.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे
Urcha me, that may has to be flat. Okay.
फ्लैट ओके ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे
Krishischa me, Vrishtischa me.
कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे.
Ghritam, you know, right? Ghritam. Ghritancha.
Ghee, right? You're asking even ghee also?
Yeah. Because ghee was
Even
used.
madhu, honey also?
Honey also. Madhu. Because these
All
all
Panchamritas
this
we are
anuvaka is
asking.
all types of food and grains. All types of food. Ghee is used in yajnas, right? In all the. It's a.
If God gives an opportunity, you will ask everything, right?
Because ghee, it takes a lot of, in those days maybe.
You don't want to put any effort at all.
No, yeah. I mean, ghee, it takes a lot of time to even. Can you hear me? Are you? To make those days, right? So it's a very valuable thing, and so the valuable thing you are putting for yajna, for sharing. That is called yajna attitude. Most valuable thing you are giving, not as something invaluable thing. Madhu also is valuable. So we are asking for that, for yajna attitude. This is yajna attitude, karma yoga way of life. So for sharing. Okay. Gruthancha me.
So these are the things that will be used in yajna. And is that how this whole group is?
I mean, this is for us also. In a way, indirectly, we're asking.
Oh, okay. But I mean, these are the things that we generally do in the offering as an offering as well, right?
Also, yes, food and grains. Yeah, all types of grains we ask here for a comfortable life, of course. So that
we continue to be doing that for the world benefit,
right.
Doing the yajna.
Huh.
Because yajna itself is considered to be for the benefit of the society.
Correct. And of course, you are also benefited, right? It is a. That's why we have to do Panchamaha Yajnas, Karma Yoga way of life. Panchamaha Yajnas we do. Brahma Yajna, Rishi Yajna, Bhuta Yajna. Right? We learn in Karma Yoga. Right? Deva Yajna, Rishi, Manushya Yajna, of course. And so we are also benefited. Jaitranchama Audbidyanchame. Audbidyanchame. Those that come from within breaking the earth. Those plants or medicinal plants or any type of plant, creeper that come breaking the earth. Bidhyam, Bidhi, Bidyanchame, Audbidyanchame. Rai is gold or wealth. It can be taken gold. Rayaschame, Raya, Ra means go stones, different types of precious stones. Also, we are asking. Rayaschame, Rayaschame. Okay. Shantiji, do it up to there.
Urcha me sunruta cha me
Urcha me sunruta cha me.
Urcha me sunruta cha me payascha me rasascha me ghritancha me madhuscha me
Madhucha me. Madhucha me.
Madhucha me saktischa me sapitischa me krushischa me vrishtischa me jaitrancha ma audbidyancha me
Audbidyancha me.
Audbidyancha me rayischa me rayascha me Urcha me ऊर्चा मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधुश्च मे
Madhuchame. What, Hariom?
sorry.
Is there a sa there?
No,
right?
no.
Ah.
Madhucha me saktischa me sapitishcha me krishishcha me vrishishcha me jaitrancha ma audpidyancha me rayishcha me rayascha me.
After Avadbidyanchame, that may should be flat. Huh? And then your Anudartas, Swaritas are not going up now, but Anudartas you are doing this.
Only one at a time. So I put my book like this. So my head is not going down that side. Stop it, Ashish.
Rayischa me, Rayascha me. Continue.
Yes. Rayischa me, Rayascha me. Rayischa me, Rayascha me.
Rayischa me, Rayascha me, Pushtancha me, Pushtischa me.
Rayischa me, Rayascha me, pushtancha me, pushtischa me.
Pushtancha me, Pushtischa me.
Pushtancha me, pushtischa me. Pushtancha me, pushtischa me.
Rayischa me, Rayascha me, Pushtancha me, Pushtischa me.
Rayischa me, Rayascha me, pushtancha me, pushtischa me. Rayischa me, Rayascha me, pushtancha me, pushtischa me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me.
Bahucha me.
Bahucha me. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me.
Purnancha me, Purnatarancha me. Sorry. No. Purnancha me.
Purnancha me, Purnancha me.
Purnatarancha me, Kshitischa me.
Purnatarancha me, Purnatarancha me, Kshiticha me.
Kshitischa me.
Kshiticha me.
Purnatarancha me, Kshitischa me.
Purnatarancha, cha goes down. Purnatarancha me, Kshiticha me. Purnatarancha me, Kshiticha me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me, Purnancha me, Purnatarancha me, Kshitischa me.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me, Purnancha me, Purnatarancha me, क्षितिश्च मे.
Kshitischa me, not cha.
Kshitischa me.
Kshitischa me.
Kshitischa me.
And
Vibhucha me.
after that, Vibhucha me that pause you, that hold
Yes,
it.
yes.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, like that.
Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me,
Bhuyascha me, Bhuyascha me.
Bhuyascha me, Purnancha me, Purnatarancha me, Kshiticha me.
No, Kshitischa.
Kshitishcha me. Sorry.
That is Sha and Cha.
Kshitishcha me, Kshitishcha me.
Krishna, do from the beginning.
Urcha me, sunruta cha me, payascha me, rasascha me, ghritancha me, madhucha me, sagdhischa me, sapitischa me, krishischa me, vrishtischa me, jaitrancha ma audbhidyancha me, rayischa me, rayascha me, पुष्टंच मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णंच मे पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे
पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे
पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे क्षितिश्च मे पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे.
Again.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतंच मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रंच म औद्भिद्यंच मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टंच मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णंच मे पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे.
So, Sagdhischa me, Sapirishcha me, eating together, drinking together, Sapitaha, Sagdhischaha, all that also we're asking. And Krishishcha me, Krishi means agriculture, farming. Krishakaha means farmer, Krishi is agriculture. Vrishti, rains also we need timely rains, right? Sunita ji, do up till there.
ऊर्ध्व मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतंच मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रंच म औद्भिद्यंच मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टंच मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णंच मे पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे. ऊर्ध्व मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतंच मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रंच म औद्भिद्यंच मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टंच मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णंच मे पूर्णतरंच मे क्षितिश्च मे.
Kuyavascha me nancha me.
Kuyavascha me nancha me. Kuyavascha me nancha me. Kuyavascha me nancha me.
Purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me kshucha me.
Purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me. Purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me.
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshucha me.
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me. Kuyav shuk shuk.
Unlike others, it is all cha, right? This is cha. Cha ki cha vatu. Shucha.
Kshus kshucha kshucha.
Kshucha. Kshucha.
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me.
And if you want, you can take a hold. That holding has to be there actually, right?
Make
Me nancha me kshucha me nancha me kshucha me. If you want that kshut also, that if it is easy, kshucha me also you can.
kshucha me kshucha me kshucha me.
Mean akshut
Kuya-
actually, that is avagraha is there, that it will be
Yeah.
akshut actually. Akshut chame means appeasement of hunger. No hunger.
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me. Kuyavascha me nancha me kshuscha me. Am I doing correctly?
Yascha me yavascha me.
Vrihayascha me yavascha me. Vrihayascha me yavascha me.
Yavascha me mashascha me.
Yavascha me mashascha me. Yavascha me mashascha me.
Mashascha me tilascha me.
Mashascha me tilascha me. Mashascha me tilascha me.
Tilascha me mudgascha me.
Tilascha me muktascha me.
Mudgascha me. Mudgascha me.
Mudgascha me. Mudgascha me. Tilascha me mudgascha me. Tilascha me mudgascha me.
All these have dirghasvaras or mudgascha doesn't have. You have to remember that. Okay. Vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me.
Vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me. Vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me.
Mudgascha me. Mudgascha, one type of a gram, green gram. Tila means sesame seeds. Masha, black gram. All these grams, grains, you're asking. Okay. let's finish this. Mudgascha me khalvascha me.
Mudgascha me khalvascha me. Mudgascha me khalvascha me.
Khalvascha me godhumascha me.
Khalvascha me godhumascha me. Khalvascha me godhumascha me.
Godhumascha me masurascha me.
Godhumascha me masurascha me. Godhumascha me masurascha me.
Masur dal.
So, what is kalva?
Kalva, another type of a grain. Kalva, large, big grains. And godhuma, godumalu.
Godumalu.
Wheat, right?
Tila means sesame, right?
Yeah, sesame seeds, still gingerly.
I thought Sona Masuri. Masura means.
Masur dal, because dal is important, right?
Yes.
Yeah, as long as it is dal, that is fine. There is no brand there. Sona Masuri or or Nellore special BM. I don't think there is no distinction.
Dal, yeah. Masur is not a brand. It is a type of a grain, right? Masur.
No, she was, I think she was asking whether it is Sona Masuri brand that they are referring here.
Paddy will come. Paddy will come next. Rice also is there. Rice grain. Godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me.
Godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me. Godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me.
Priyangavascha me navascha me.
Priyangavascha me navascha me. Priyangavascha me navascha me.
Priyangava means millet, some kind of a millet. Anava means fine paddy. Priyangavascha me navascha me shamakascha me.
Priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me. Priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me.
Shamakascha me nivarascha me.
Shyamakascha me nivarascha me. Shyamakascha me nivarascha me.
Prihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudghascha me kalvascha me godumascha me masurascha me priyanga vascha me navascha me shamakascha me nivarascha me.
Vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me khalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me nivarascha me. Vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me khalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me प्रियङ्गवश्च मेणवश्च मे श्यामाकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे.
Mudgaschami, you're having trouble there.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
mudgascha me, mudga.
Mudgaschami.
Yeah.
Khalwa also means Bengal gram, they say. In the word, do it from beginning.
Urcha me sunruta
Urcha me sunruta cha me.
Urcha me sunruta cha me payascha me rasascha me ghrutancha me madhucha me saddhischa me sapitischa me krushischa me vrustischa me Jaitrancha ma audbhijyancha me rayischa me rayascha me pushtancha me pushtischa me pushtancha me pushtischa me vibhucha me prabhucha me vahucha me bhuyascha me purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me Nancha me kshutcha me vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me khalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me nivarascha me. Uchame. Can I say one more time?
That annam men nan chame chuchame. That na is there, so that holding also can be there. Men nan
Okay.
nan chame chuchame, like that.
Yeah, I wanted to even hold chuchame. That also was in the mind, but it did not come out.
And
so
mudgaschame, that also mudgaschame, that cha nicely should go up because it's the end swarita.
Okay. Urchame sunruta cha me payascha me rasascha me ghrutancha me madhucha me saddhischa me sapitischa me krushischa me vrustischa me Jaitrancha ma audbhijyancha me rayischa me rayascha me pushtancha me pushtischa me vibhucha me prabhucha me bahucha me bhuyascha me purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me kshutcha me vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudghascha me kalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me nivarascha me.
Good. Pravinaji?
From the beginning, Chandraji?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Urcha me sunruta cha me payascha me rasascha me ghritancha me madhucha me sagdischa me sapitischa me krishischa me vrishtischa me jaitrancha ma Audbhidyancha me rayischa me rayascha me pushtancha me pushtischa me vibhucha me prabhucha me bahucha me bhuyascha me purnancha me purnatarancha me kshitischa me kuyavascha me
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshutcha me.
Kuyavascha me nancha me
Kuyavascha me nancha me kshutcha me.
कूयवाश्च मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे
मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे
नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे कूयवाश्च मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे व्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे माशाश्च मे तिलाश्च मे मुद्गश्च मे मुद्गाश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मसूराश्च मे प्रियंगवश्च मेणवश्च मे श्यामकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे ऊर्च मे सूनृताश्च
start like that nicely.
Okay. ऊर्च मे सूनृताच मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधुच मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टञ्च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णञ्च मे पूर्णतरञ्च मे क्षितिश्च मे कूयवाश्च मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे व्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे माशाश्च मे तिलाश्च मे मुद्गश्च मे मुद्गाश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मसूराश्च मे प्रियंगवश्च मेणवश्च मे श्यामकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे.
Nivara means wild grain. Shamaka means black, some type of a low type of grain, black. Shama color, black green maybe. Ashish, do it once.
ऊर्च मे सूनृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतञ्च मे मधु च मे सग्धिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे कृशिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रञ्च म औद्भिद्यञ्च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टञ्च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णञ्च मे पूर्णतरञ्च मे क्षितिश्च मे
Do it from Prabhu again. Vibhucha me, Prabhucha me, Bahucha me, Bhuyascha me, Purnancha me. From there you do it again. Vibhucha me.
Okay. विभुच मे प्रभुच मे बहुच मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णञ्च मे पूर्णतरञ्च मे चितिश्च मे कूयवाश्च मे नञ्च मे क्षुच्च मे व्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे माशाश्च मे तिलाश्च मे मुद्गाश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मसुराश्च मे प्रियङ्गवश्च मे नवश्च मे श्यामाकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे.
Vrihi means paddy. Vrihayascha me. Vrihi. Yava means barley seed. Barley. Yava. Yava ascha me. Krishnan do. Krishnan do from the beginning.
Shekhar, I probably have to drop off now. I
Okay.
got some work. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Carry on.
Hariyo.
Urch me sunruta cha me. Urch me sunruta cha me. Payascha me rasascha me. Ghritancha me madhucha me. Sagdhischa me sapītischa me. Krishischa me vrishtischa me. Jaitrancha ma audbhidyancha me. Rayischa me rayascha me pushtancha me pushtischa me vibhucha me prabhucha me bahucha me bhuyascha me purnancha me purnatarancha me chitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me chucha me vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me mudgascha me khalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me navascha me Shyamakascha me nivarascha me. Shall I try one more time?
And that Prabhu, after Vibhuchame, before that Prabhu, holding has to be there, right? Vibhuchame, Prabhuchame.
Okay. Should I go once?
Do it.
Urcha me sunruta cha me payascha me rasascha me ghritancha me madhucha me sagdhischa me sapītischa me krishischa me vrishtischa me jaitrancha ma audbhidyancha me rayischa me rayascha me pushtancha me pushtischa me vibhucha me prabhucha me bahucha me bhuyascha me purnancha me purnatarancha me chitischa me kuyavascha me nancha me chucha me vrihayascha me yavascha me mashascha me tilascha me bhadgascha me
Mudghascha me.
Mudgascha me khalvascha me godhumascha me masurascha me priyangavascha me priyangavascha me navascha me
Shyamaka.
Yeah. Priyangavascha me navascha me shyamakascha me nivarascha me.
Shanti do.
Urcha me sunrutas. Urcha me sunrutascha. Urcha me sunrutacha me payascha me rasascha me ghritancha me madhucha me Vrishtischa me Sapitischa me Krishishcha me Vrishtischa me Jaitrancha ma Audvidyancha me Rayischa me Rayascha me Pushtancha me Pushtischa me Vibhucha me Prabhucha me Bahucha me Bhuyascha me Purnancha me Purnatarancha me Kshitischa me Kshitischa me Kuyavascha me Nancha me Kshucha me Vrihayascha
Vihayascha me.
Vrihayascha me Yavascha me Mashaascha me Tilascha me Mudgascha
Tilascha me mudghascha me khalvascha me.
Tilascha me Mudgascha me Khalvascha me Khodumascha me Masurascha me Priyangavascha me Priyangavascha me Navascha me Shamakascha me Nivarascha me.
Do from Vrihayascha me again once.
Which one?
Vrihayascha me.
Vrihayascha me Yavascha me Mashascha me Tilascha me Mudgascha me Khalvascha me Khodumascha me Masurascha me Priyangavascha me Navascha me Priyangavascha me Navascha me Shamakascha me Nivarascha me
You tried not to do this, but still it was good. That's all. So urcha means food in general food, any type of food. Sunruta means Sunrutam means pleasant speech. There is also idea because you have to entertain guests. I think that's why. Sunruta, paya, milk.
Rutam is a speech.
Sunruta means good speech, pleasant speech. Sunruta. There in the real also that
Rutam.
That rhythm is different again. That rhythm can be yajna, a sacrifice. Earlier in the so and amrutam means the result of that sacrifice. In that context, we have to take chame, payas chame, rasas chame, all different types of rasas, fluids, drinks. Krutan chame, ghee, madhu, sagdis chame, sapi, entertaining friends, krishis chame, vristis chame, sapitis chame, chaitran chame, that which is because the fields were given earlier, so successful crop, successful maybe.
Sapitis chame is
drinking together with friends, particularly eating together, right? Sabji eating, sapiti drinking liquids with friends, relatives, well-wishers. Okay. Rayi Raya, gold and stones. Pushtanchame means increased wealth, pushtam of that gold. Pushti means nourishment of the body. All that vibhu, prabhu, bahu, bhuyaschame, purnanchame, purnatancha means increased levels of these grains and all these things that we are asking for. Vibhu, prabhu, more and more in different degrees, levels of intensity or quantities. Purnanchame, Purnataranchame. Annam again is food, right? So akshiti, Purnanchame, Purnataranchame, Akshitischame. Again, same thing. That it doesn't deplete more and more of these grains. Akshiti. Kuyava. Kuyava is again barley, some small barley. Kuyavaschame, Annanchame, Chuchame. All types of grains. We asked. Food, drinks, grains. Some 30 and odd items we asked. 30, 35, 30, 38 maybe. Okay. Next. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll see. Settle it then. Questions? It's fine. Everything is good. Oh, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्. हरि ओम.
Thank you, Chandraji.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Chandraji.
Hariom.
Hरि ओम.
Hari Om.